An odd behavior chart is a meticulously crafted tool used to monitor, document, and manage behaviors commonly associated with oppositional defiant disorder. ODD is a complex childhood disorder marked by recurring patterns of defiance, disobedience, and hostile behaviors, especially towards authority figures. These behaviors often transcend the occasional resistance or defiance typical in childhood development. The chart is not just a documentation tool, it's a lens into the multifaceted world of children grappling with ODD. The chart offers a holistic view of a child's behavioral patterns by systematically capturing specific behaviors, potential triggers, consequential reactions, and positive behaviors exhibited. Over time, this compiled information becomes pivotal in tailoring specific interventions, nurturing a supportive environment, and fostering better communication between caregivers, educators, and therapists. To use our free Odd Behavior Chart, follow these steps. Download our Odd Behavior Chart from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Whenever an ODD-related behavior manifests, record it with as much specificity as possible. Instead of noting "child acted out," detail it as "the child shouted and threw books." Most behaviors don't arise in a vacuum. Was the child teased? Did they miss a meal? Was there a sudden change in their routine? Documenting these triggers can illuminate patterns over time. How did you or another authority figure react? Did you discuss verbally, implement a timeout, or use another strategy? Jot this down to understand which interventions are most impactful. This is a reflection on the immediate aftermath. Did the child understand their actions? Did they express remorse, escalate, or even retract into a shell? These reactions can offer insights into their emotional landscape. While the focus might seem predominantly on challenging behaviors, recording moments of cooperation, kindness, or any other positive behavior is equally essential. This ensures a balanced perspective and aids in reinforcement strategies. Here is a sample of our Odd Behavior Chart, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our Odd Behavior Chart, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.